You get every video game in the world. Yay! Wait, what? But you can't play with them. What the flip? What's up guys, my name's Shad Gamer, welcome back to another video, and today in this video I am going to be playing an old and quite popular game on the internet. It's called Will You Press the Button. It's basically a quiz which, well, you have to answer. So it's basically, you got two questions, blah 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 blah. If you give both of them, you click the button. Alright, so let's get to it. First question is, YouTube will have no censorship restrictions, but BME readers will be Bang it! Good. You create your own game and it becomes the best game ever and goes down in history. You become greedy with money, power, and EA buys you out. EA. Oh, this is a hard one. So, you created your own game. But then you said in the game, yeah, bang it. You get £20,000 a month for the rest of your life, but your worst enemy gets twice as much. Alright, bang it. Will you press button if you wouldn't age, but you would have to eat your cat? I'll do it. You become famous and loved by everyone, but your family hates you a lot. Yeah. If my family hates me, I'll just move away. Alright, win the Hunger Games, but you have to kill your brother and sister. I only got one sister, and that's Jessica, you know, yeah. You're the smartest person in the world, but you suffer from severe... Alright, you will never feel heartbreak or sadness ever again, but you lose your ability to talk. Ooh! So you'll never feel heartbreak or sadness ever again, but you can't walk, so you've got to be stuck in a wheelchair. No, I will not. You could have tickets to your dream concert. Oh! You'd have to show up naked and really... No! Bad. You get every video game in the world. Yay! Wait, what? But you can't play with them. What the flip? A really expensive game, such as like GTA or whatever, or FIFA, but then you can't, I'll cope with that. Alright guys, and that's the end of this video. I hope you liked this episode. Can we aim for around more than 2 likes for the next episode, or would you press the button? I'm sure I will. Don't forget to leave down a comment down below to whether any of the questions see if you have a different opinion than me. I'll see you all later. Bye.